Hi, in this lab practical, we are going to extract digital evidence for forensic investigation. Our aim is to extract features such as credit card numbers, URL links, email addresses, phone numbers, and this kind of information will be used for identity investigation from this image named Terry Work. And we'll be trying to discover the answers to the following questions. Who are the users of the drive? Who is this person communicating with? What kinds of websites have they visited? Most often, what search terms are used? Our tool, in this case, will be using a bulk extractor. To start bulk extractor, we have to navigate to applications, then navigate to forensics, then we choose bulk extractor, and then we launch. We can see that we have successfully launched bulk extractor. We'll be extracting data from the TerryWork USB image and saving the output to a folder. We can name the folder whatever name we want. So we have to run the following command. Bulk extractor. Then indicate our output directory. You can say this one evidence. Output. Then we have to name our disk. USB. And let's run our bulk extractor. You can see that bulk extractor start running. It will take some moments. Bulk extractor provides several capabilities. It can find email addresses, URL card, credit card numbers, and so forth that other tools may miss, because it can process compressed data and incomplete or partially corrupted data. Its advantage is that it is also threaded. You can see that we have 2 threads there. We started on 2 threads, which makes it faster as compared to other tools. It can also create a histogram showing the most common email addresses, URL, domains, search terms, and other kinds of information on the drive. Let's see what we can find here. Right, you can see that our bulk extractor is finished. Once completed, bulk extractor indicates that all threads have finished. You can see that all threads is finished and provides a summary of the process and even some findings as seen here. Bulk extractor displays the MD5 hash, the total MB processed, It also displays total email features found. To view the output and findings by bulk extractor, we can also display a list of directories within the terminal by typing the following command. We can see the evidence output folder has been created. We can now list the contents of our output folder by having the following command. Exactly managed. It should be noted that not all listed text files will contain data, only the ones with numbers larger than 0. These ones will be having data, will contain some data, and this one with zeros, they have nothing, they have no data. If we browse the output folder location, we can view all the extracted data within the individual text files. Let's view the email histogram. Email histogram. .txt. We can now view the email addresses that have been extracted. We can see the prominent email addresses. So we can use this command to investigate further to see what is in the telephone histogram, Facebook histogram, and so forth. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I think we are done. Thank you for watching.